Hello, pen testers. This is Punit Darji back again with another CV video. And in this video, we are going to talk about the latest vulnerability in the Grafana. So, Grafana CV, we are going to talk about. The CV number is CV 2025 4123. So, 4123 is like extraordinary number, right? So the CV 2025 4123 is a combination of Open Redirect and in the plugin vulnerability in Grafana. So if your Grafana instance is between version 8.0 and 12.0, you are at risk. So you need to update as soon as possible. So an attacker send a malicious link to the victim. When victim click, the Grafana redirect to the victim's hacker control server that serves the malicious plugin, and this plugin that turns plugins runs the JavaScript code that can steal your session cookie, change account settings, or even access internal system through the SSRF attack. So with over 46,000 plus Grafana server exposed on the internet, this is massive risk. So if you are at risk, you need to check as soon as possible. So uh, the patch immediately upgrade your Grafana version 12.0.0 security 01, which Grafana has already released. Also enable the CSP, the content security policy, and disallow unsigned plugins in your configuration. So if you can't patch right now, disable anonymous access and restrict the network access to your Grafana instance. So let's move on to the practical part so you will get the better understanding. This is our demo which I have already created the docker compose.yml file or docker file. So I am going to use the 11.0.6 and the dedicated render service, which Grafana image render 3.10. So I will provide this Docker file in my GitHub repository. So let's compose this Docker. So here we have started, and just wait for few seconds. Now let's go to the localhost 3000, and here we go. So we have the Grafana installed. This is the welcome page of Grafana, the welcome page or the home page. Now let's try to exploit. First is open redirect. So we are going to perform the open redirect first. So let's say here is a vulnerable public rendering. So public folder, and here we need to give the website which you want to open. So here I am opening the pawnsystem.com. So this is my website, and just wait for few seconds. And here we go. So it is open. So Pawn System is my website where I have created AWS pen testing course. If you want to learn about the AWS pen testing, you can enroll, which is free of cost. And let's say we are performing the SSRF vulnerability now. So let's start the burp shoot. Oh, oops. Burp shoot. And here we are opening our burp shoot. Even we can use the dig.pm file or .pm website, dig.pm. So let's start our burp shoot. And go to collaborator and get started. Just copy this clipboard and let's say localhost again, where we need to give the render public. So render slash public, and here we need to give the URL. So here I am passing the Bub collaborator URL. Here we go, and hit the enter. So and just wait, poll now, and here we go, we get the response. So even you can see in the Grafana website, and here we go. So while image rendering, it is performing the SSRF vulnerability. So here I am going to use the dig.pm, which I was talking about. So let's copy this subdomain and paste it over here and hit the enter. Just wait. So, and you can see, click on get results, and we get the results. So this is all about the vulnerability. This is all about the attack. I will provide the link in description box about the Grafana, vulnerable Grafana version. If you want to try in your local machine, you can try it out. So thank you guys. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. If you like, then share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.